welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make grass, like realistic grass like this in Roblox Studio. Okay, so first, if you don't have the plain grass already, go to this little thing in the home section and go to edit, add, and then you can like change the size that you want it. So you can just add some grass however you want. And you can like grow it and stuff. Okay, once you're done with that, go to Explorer and Properties, and where Workspace is right here, click on the arrow and Terrain. And right here where it says Decoration, click on it and then you have the grass. And you can change what color you want it by going to material colors, and you can like make it whatever color you want. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want any more tutorials in the next videos.